Alright, I'm talking about the weather. And the weather's freaking crazy. Getting crazier. How crazy?
Now we have a very significant snowmaker that's actually brewing throughout the deep south and the southeast, and it's going to bring to some parts of the country a mix of ice and snow that they're typically not accustomed to. Take a look at the jet stream.
What's going on?
The storms are coming.
Winter Storm Helena has already caused big problems in the west before it even starts to head east.
All right, here we go.
As we go into our Saturday, we'll start to have more weather changes.
Blizzard warning. Don't hear that every day in Virginia or in Maryland, but those are the warnings that are in effect.
So a freeze up, wet, slushy roads expected, freezing and slippery travel along I-20, as well as 85, 95, and 40, particularly between Richmond, Norfolk, down towards Raleigh, where we're expecting for travel to be crippled as a result of the wet, slushy, and deep freeze that's going to hit.
We're talking about snow potential and cold in the northeast.
Snow potential? Well, when you take a look at it, it's really ominous when you think about it.
Looks like possibly up to a foot in Norfolk. This could possibly be one of the biggest January storms there in record.
So the word is stay home if you don't have to travel. It is going to be a treacherous travel weekend for much of the South and much of the Mid-Atlantic as Winter Storm Helena continues to leave a trail of ice from Louisiana all the way through the Deep South and into the Mid-Atlantic.
Let's cut to the chase.
And as it moves off the coast, there's a chance that this may actually explode and get stronger.
Ooh, take a look at this.
We're still looking at total cloud water and surface wind. And it is wild. Look at that. What do you see? Batarangs, swirly things, and one wild weather adventure. We really better get prepared for maximum weirdness, 'cause it's like everything was crazy, but now it's counterclockwise crazy. And I don't even know what I meant. Wow. Okay. The server is down. It's a new one. This counterclockwise crazy 2017. Stay cool. I don't know if you know this. Thor News is for winners. And that's why you're here. So stick around. Hit the button, baby. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents Party Dance Time.
Schools were closed on Thursday across large swaths of the country. Across the South, the salt trucks are out. That's as Helena draws near.
Tracking a major winter snowstorm affecting not just the deep south, but parts of the southeast and eventually the northeast as well.
You know, snow and ice are always a travel problem, but especially in places where people just aren't used to driving on it.
The problem here is that the infrastructure isn't exactly set up for a lot of winter weathers.
As this energy swings through, it's an impressive piece. Look at it come around. See, right, boom, right there. You see that?
What's happening is we have this area low pressure that's coming out of the southeast. It's going to intensify as we head throughout the day today off the coast of North Carolina.
I'm wondering, look at all of this energy. You're talking about 70, 80 knot jet wind in here. I wonder if there's going to be any thunder and lightning with this storm.
This is what we can expect as we go through the evening. You're going to see snowfall across North Georgia, that area in pink is my main concern as it goes through the Carolinas and heads up to Virginia. That's icing. Once you get to around Norfolk, though, you've got blizzard conditions expected. Matter of fact, blizzard warnings are in effect for you.
And there's a lot of cold behind that as well. So if you have any wet roads, they could freeze overnight.
That is going to bring heavy snowfall across the mid-Atlantic states here, specifically southeastern Virginia into northern parts of North Carolina. We are looking at locally, some spots can get up to a foot there, especially in Norfolk and Virginia Beach.
Take a look at Newport News. A foot of snow. Norfolk, a foot of snow. Cape Charles, 8 to 12 inches. Even Ocean City could see up to 8 inches. Head northward, it's not going to get much better. Places like Nantucket could see a foot. Vineyard Haven, 8 to 12 inches of snowfall.
But generally, the darkest shade of blues, 6 to 12 inches of snow. The outer periphery, about 3 to 6, 1 to 3 in the lighter shaded blues. So
then get this, you could even see thunderstorms, possible tornadoes in parts of Florida, mainly looking at a wind threat, but it is definitely going to be stormy there.
Ladies and gentlemen, not only is the weather acting weird, but it's acting really weird. Now maybe I got this wrong. I remember meteorologists forecasting that it was going to get cold, but not freeze in Houston. And well, lo and behold, to my surprise, 5 a.m. Texas time, dun dun dun, 24 freaking degrees. That's freezing. That's freezing. Or -4 Celsius. Ladies and gentlemen, it's -4 Celsius here in Houston. Definitely cuddling weather. Cuddle if you got 'em. I don't, so I'm smoking. Okay, so as I've been mentioning previously, the weather's changing fast. So, just be ready. California, you got an atmospheric river coming, and it looks bad. So, though I may be in a jokey, good mood, this is all very serious. Okay? So, be ready. I get a feeling it's only gonna get wackier. Right now we're looking at a temperature difference on this map from -45 all the way to 75. Wow, it's freezing out into the Gulf of Mexico. Look at that. That is wild. Super wild, man.
Let's cut to the chase. Snowfall accumulations. Now, this high ratio snow has me bugged in here, where maybe it's 3 or 4, I can see that. Hartford has me a little bugged too, because I'm afraid we could wrap stuff in. Providence, Boston, 4 to 8. And on the Cape, I like a foot out on the Cape and Islands. You know, you get to the South Shore, 5 to 10-ish. You know, you start getting the LaGuardia, let's say in the Queens, you start getting, you know, we have 1 to 3, I like the 3 or 4 there. In Nassau and Suffolk counties, a solid 3 to 6, someone's gonna come in and tell me I have 7 and 8 in there. Jersey Shore, I like a solid 3 to 6. We have 3 to 6 in Richmond. I guess I'm okay with that. I'm a little afraid it's 7 and 8, but a solid 6 to 12 across all of southern parts of Virginia and southern parts of Maryland. You start getting in the Salisbury in here. I think it's a solid 3 to 6, 4 to 8, and that continues into the Jersey Shore. Back into the Raleigh area, Greensboro, close to Charlotte. Listen, I like 6 to 12. Maybe it's not 12, but it's a solid 6. Upstate of South Carolina, I think there's 3 to 6 because you're getting sleet. Once you get into Atlanta, I like 1 to 3 in Atlanta. Here's our steering trough. Here is the energy. This is the energy. Where is it now? Let's go all the way back. It's this piece of energy in here. Let's follow the energy. Let's follow it together. Here it comes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Okay, there it is.
And then there's the ice from Louisiana all the way up into central Georgia, and then another real big chunk of ice across the Carolinas. Be careful, guys.
Ish.